China establishes ultra-high-level surveillance society by installing CCTVs and collecting residents' biometric data. The New York Times reported on June 21 that China has established an expanding surveillance state to identify individuals' private activities and social connections by installing 500 million surveillance cameras. The New York Times revealed that after spending over a year analyzing the Chinese police's bidding documents for purchasing surveillance equipment, they found that the cameras had sound recorders to collect voice prints. The collected voice prints are added to a database with the relevant person's facial image after going through an analysis. This means that the government can identify individuals by just having the person's voice sample. NYT also confirmed that the Chinese police are also collecting a large number of Y chromosomes of men. Because the Y chromosome has no genetic recombination, it is possible to easily identify the paternal families of one man. According to the NYT, Chinese authorities built large Y chromosome databases for the first time in 2014, and such databases are in at least 25 out of China's 31 provinces and regions. China established iris databases in Xinjiang in 2017, storing iris samples of 30 million people. Chinese authorities are also collecting extensive information from mobile phones. They are using phone trackers to track location and detect information of individuals using certain apps. The Washington Post reported December of last year that Huawei was providing the Chinese government with technology that can extract various personally identifiable information from smartphones, such as voice, facial, and iris information. NYT particularly pointed out that the Chinese police has extensively installed surveillance cameras not just in public spaces, but also inside karaoke lounges, residential buildings, and hotels. According to bidding documents from the police in the southeast province of Fujian, it was found that the police possessed 2.5 billion facial images collected in this way alone. NYT reported that the Fujian police wrote in the bidding document that the goal was to control and manage people.